Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I had to jump in here and add my voice because I didn't realize until after the fact that my mic was not on, but I still wanted to add the clips because if not, it would have made my video too short. So just be patient, and within a few seconds, my mic will turn on. So I hope y'all enjoyed this here, what's in my Louis Vuitton bag, and I will talk to you later. Louis Vuitton bag, okay? I brought her out today because, like I said, I'm on a cabin trip, and I was like, okay, anytime I go away, I like to bring my Neverfull because, of course, it carries everything but the kitchen sink. So here is my Neverfull. Now, this here is not my traditional everyday carry, so that's why I wanted to do this here video. And then I also bought my Glossier bag. Let me see. Like I said, I'm carrying my Neverfull, so I'm gonna just grab stuff out of the bag. So I have my iPad. I thought I was gonna be able to connect to Wi-Fi, but I don't think I can. I'm gonna double check, but I don't think so. But it's okay because, you know, I'm here to reset for the new year. I have my eyelash case because I do have on lashes, and I wanted to bring my lash case so I could put my lashes in. Yo, look how cute this is. My Sephora friend got me this here Barbie hand sanitizer. Yo, she got it from CVS. Now, I didn't see it at a CVS as of yet because I didn't go check, but I am going to go check on my way home just to see. But yeah, y'all, she got us these here hand sanitizers. And then I have my Louis Vuitton key pouch, the one I bought. When did I buy this? I think I got this around the time when they first was introduced to Louis Vuitton. I have my watch. I ended up taking my watch off because I don't need it. Let me see. Trying to get some good lighting, y'all. So if the lighting is off, it's only because, you know, I'm in a cabin. I have some gum. I have the little pouch that comes with it. Oh, shit. Alright, y'all. It didn't break. So here's the packaging that it came in. I'll show you this last. My EOS lotion that I carry at work. I have my little suction cup. I have a charger. I have my inhaler because if y'all been following me on Instagram, you know I was in a hospital, y'all. I had bronchitis and I left using a inhaler, y'all. I'll talk about that in a life update video. But yeah, I have my inhaler, my Chanel mirror. Also have my Chanel card case. And I have, this is new. This is by Gisou. It's the new lip mask. Look, y'all, look how cute this is. I was getting ready to buy this, but the brand rep left us this for gratis. So I was like, won't he do it? Won't he do it? Because I don't got to buy it, y'all. So that's everything in my Louis Vuitton bag. So I'm going to show you really quick. I need to go put my chicken on the stove real quick. So I have my Ole Hendrickson lip gloss with my little puff. And I did get the puff from, what was it, Sprouts. I have a fingernail file. Yo, I don't know if y'all went to Sephora and tried the new Sol de Janeiro. They have the, I think it's 91. I have the lotion as a sample, y'all. It smells really, really good. I have a Dior fragrance. My Prada lipstick. And yeah, that's everything that I have in my Louis Vuitton bag. Now I'm going to show you what I have in my Glossier pouch, but I'm going to have to put my food on first, so I'll be right back. All right, y'all. So now on to my toiletry pouch, which is my Glossier bag that I bought from the actual store. Let me see if I can bring the camera down some some of my go-tos for this here trip, because like I said, it's just a turnaround overnight. So I have my body soap. I have my baby powder. I have my lip balm, which is the Summer Fridays. My Glow Recipe spray mist, because I plan to do, after I take off my makeup, I plan to do like a little quick skincare routine. I have my Paula's Choice that I swear by, you all. I have my hairbrush. I have my Method body wash. I brought my Bum Bum cream. I brought another lip balm, which is the Rhode. This is the lemon. I brought a few fragrance. I brought my Kayali. This here is the orange blossom. And then I also bought the lemon sugar. I have my Caudalie face wash. Take off my makeup. I have my face I have my cotton rounds. Let me put that in. Well, I have some eye patches. You want to use eye patches tonight? Well, I have eye patches. I'm gonna put them on tonight. I have some makeup wipes and shrag. I have a toothbrush. I have some toothpaste. And you can't leave your house without poopery. When you in something this small, you definitely need poopery, okay? And that's it, y'all. Yep, that's it. So I'm going to enjoy the rest of my trip. I just wanted to get on here and do a really quick what's in my handbag, because it's a new year, so of course I had to share a new what's in my bag, because it's been a few months since I posted one. And y'all, I love this here toiletry. Well, I don't know if it's a toiletry pouch. I don't know exactly what it's called on the website. I think it's sold out, y'all, because this here was something limited edition. When I tell you I jumped on this here, it do come with like a pink insert, but I took the insert out because I wanted to have room for all my things. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and zipper her back up. So right there in the back of me is a picture, like a real big picture square mirror window. So tomorrow morning it's going to look so pretty. So make sure y'all are subscribed to my channel, because I will be doing a vlog. I'm not sure how much footage I will be able to get, because again, it's only one night and we're not doing too much. So yeah. So let me go ahead and check on my food, and I will talk to y'all in the next video. But before I go, y'all, make sure y'all subscribe, okay? We almost at 10,000, so click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell, so you could be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later.